Affiliate marketing is a really great way to earn an extra income, add an extra income stream to your already existing business, or just make a little extra cash on the side if you're looking to side hustle. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 3 strategies from beginner to advanced that I use for affiliate marketing and pair with Pinterest. So why don't we dive right on in? In this video, I'm actually going to assume that you already have your Pinterest foundations set up. If you don't have your Pinterest account set up, you can always visit our Pinterest for Beginners playlist. In that playlist, I will walk you through all of the necessary steps to set up your Pinterest account, and then you can always come back to this video later. But I am going to assume you already have your Pinterest account set up and you have some sort of business going, because these strategies are going to require that you already have that in place. Now, if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Farris and I run this Pinterest marketing YouTube channel, as well as a Pinterest marketing agency and a paid membership program where I teach, of course, all things Pinterest. I've been doing this for over 6 years, and I am a fully transparent, non-gatekeeping human being that just wants to share the goodness of Pinterest. So in today's video, without further ado, let's talk about the first thing that you need to have in order to really take advantage of these 3 strategies. First things first, affiliate marketing, like any other income stream, takes time to build. You also need an audience in order to bring sales into that income stream. I will also say that the majority of people doing affiliate marketing don't understand that there's an entire user journey between someone actually understanding that they have a pain point and needing a problem, to going on a platform and searching for a product to solve said problem. Now, as a beginner in affiliate marketing, you may not even be aware of what that user journey needs to be right now, and that's okay. I'm gonna walk you through the 3 strategies and you can figure that part out later. I just wanted you to know that with everything, this takes time. And if you're watching videos that are promising you $100 a day, $300 a day, $500 a day with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, and all they're telling you to do is create Pinterest pins using Canva and using ClickBank or some other platform like Share a Sale to find affiliate links and plaster those on Pinterest, chances are that's not going to work. But I do want to walk you through those 3 strategies right now. Strategy number 1 is creating your own website or YouTube channel like this one right here that you're watching, and creating long-form value-based content. This content will serve your audience. It will answer those pain points that those people have. Ultimately, they will then go on to purchase from you. So I'm actually going to screen share while talking to you, and we're going to walk through some of the examples that I have laid out for this strategy. This number 1, create a blog or YouTube channel sharing high value long form content. Okay, so first things first is creating a long form blog post like what I have here. This blog post is detailing how you can use a program like Tailwind to schedule your Pinterest pins in an hour or less per week. This is long form value content that people are looking for. They're looking for how to use Tailwind for their business. They're looking for Pinterest schedulers that are approved. Those 2 search terms alone bring me quite a lot of traffic to my website and this YouTube channel. People find this video and this blog post. I've covered it from both angles, and I have detailed the method that they can go about using to use Tailwind to schedule their pins. Once they find this content, if they don't have a Tailwind account and they're convinced, they use my affiliate link and they sign up, and now I have earned an affiliate commission on that sale. And these commissions at one point used to be recurring. They are now a one-time affiliate payout at this point, I believe. And some programs are a one-time payout and some programs are a monthly payout. For example, my Planoly content that brings me affiliate commission is a monthly payout. I earn a monthly recurring commission on every time that person renews payment. So that is tactic number 1. Create long-form value content and show people how to do something, answer a question, solve a pain, and then provide the solution. If you have gotten value from this video so far, would you do me a favor and give it a big fat like? Those likes help to further this content in this ecosystem, and it also helps more people like you find solutions to their problems. Thanks a bunch. Okay, let's talk about tactic number 2 or strategy number 2, and this is by creating short form video content on Pinterest in the form of idea pins. You can also create video pins and standard pins and link your affiliate links to those pins. More on that in a moment, but for now, let's take a look at the content on the screen, which is a video with Amazon affiliate links. This is a idea pin, and I'm using product stickers on this idea pin to monetize the idea pin and earn an affiliate commission. So as you can see, I actually created a long form idea pin that shows you my favorite desk accessories, kind of a behind the scenes, and then I linked those desk accessories to the idea pin through Amazon, and anytime someone clicks on those and then they purchase, whether they purchase the product that they clicked on or purchase nail clippers or lipstick or organizing bins, it doesn't matter. Within that 24-hour period that they click on my affiliate link, I will earn a commission on any sales that they purchase or any sales that they complete. So this idea pin is a video of my desk, all nice and pretty, all nice and clean, just a walkthrough. And then you can see on each screen, I'm walking you through these must-have accessories that I think you should add to your own desk. And then these product stickers are clickable. They can then click this sticker, go to Amazon, and I will earn a commission on those. So I walked them through my keyboard, my mouse, my desk, my microphone, the mic stand, the speakers, all the things. And then this is a really great way for me to earn a commission on Amazon. I do earn anywhere from $100 to $400 a month on Amazon. I will say majority of my Amazon sales actually come through my travel blog because I have a YouTube video all about flat towing, and we earn the majority of our income through RV accessories and tow bars. So not as much through this blog because I don't utilize as many Amazon affiliate links. The majority of my affiliate commissions through Farris & Co. come in the form of subscriptions like ThriveCart, ConvertKit, Tailwind, Planoly, you name it. So option number 2, strategy number 2 is creating short form content. The other strategies that you can use that I was talking about is by creating Pinterest pins out of these. So if you were to go to create pin and create a standard image for that pin, or use the idea pin as a video later, which I have a video on this channel. If you want to learn all about it, I'll make sure to link it in the description, and I will attempt to link it in the cards. I always forget to do that part. But it is in the idea pins playlist, and it is walking you through how to repurpose idea pins to video pins. But if we were to upload a Pinterest pin and link it to Tailwind, you could then link the standard pin or the video pin directly to your affiliate link to Tailwind or whatever affiliate thing that you're linking to. I will say with idea pins, it is automatically labeled as a sponsored piece of content. However, with standard and video pins, you do need to do the disclosing. So you do have to write out something like, this is my affiliate link, and I will earn a small commission. You have to disclose. Hashtag affiliate is simply not enough. And now that brings me to tactic or strategy number 3, which are affiliate funnels. I love to create affiliate funnels for things that I use, I love, I teach on consistently. I don't want to waste my time creating affiliate funnels for things that I don't care about or I don't consistently talk about, because I need content to feed these funnels. So this is definitely an advanced strategy. You are going to need a couple of things on top of creating and signing up for the affiliate program. So you're going to need to create high value content that feeds the funnel. You're going to need an email platform like ConvertKit, and you're going to need a landing page tool like lead pages, unless you're going to create landing pages on your own website, in which case you could utilize that as well. So like Elementor would also work. I love affiliate funnels because I can teach people how to do something and then send them through to my email list and then nurture them, and eventually they will purchase whatever I'm talking about, or go into some other aspect of my business and purchase through like my membership or whatever. Let me show you my Pinterest automation guide. This is my biggest affiliate funnel by far because I am monetizing this sucker with every Pinterest scheduling tool available that I have reviewed, that I approve of, and that I talk about on the regular. So Later, Tailwind, Planoly, Canva is a newer scheduling sort of tool. And then obviously the native scheduler, Buffer. Some of these don't have affiliate programs, but Later, Planoly, and Tailwind do, and they are all featured in the guide. So there's a couple different ways someone can get into this affiliate funnel. They can go through this landing page on the screen where they can sign up and get my Pinterest automation guide, or in my blog content, they can also take my Pinterest scheduler quiz. The quiz is going to tell you immediately, based on the needs you fill out in the quiz, what scheduling tools is the better fit for you. It is also then going to send you a nurture sequence with details on that quiz, with the Pinterest automation guide if you want it in a PDF format. And then there are additional videos that go along with it, like how to use the tool, the tutorial videos, the review videos, etc. So the affiliate funnels are definitely a great way to go the extra mile. If you love creating content on tools like I do, on different things that you use in your business like I do, and you're creating that value content, you have the funnel capability to set it up on the back end. You can capture those emails and then nurture those people to the sale. A lot of people are not ready, and I actually advise against signing up for a Pinterest scheduler when you're very first getting started. So this actually gives me a way to nurture people through the beginning of a Pinterest marketing strategy and then walk them through the next phase of choosing a scheduler when they're serious about their Pinterest marketing strategy. So I really love affiliate funnels. This works really great for me, and it has brought me a consistent stream of affiliate income. Now, Planoly, they don't pay a whole lot, but Tailwind, they pay anywhere from $15 to $17 per sale, and when you add that up, it can add up. So, affiliate funnels are definitely a great way to go the extra mile if you are looking for a more advanced affiliate marketing strategy. Now, once you have your blog posts, once you have your landing pages for your automation guide, your quiz, now you can utilize Pinterest, create Pinterest images, and link to those resources. So I link to my automation guide, I link to my Tailwind blog post, my Planoly blog post. The quizzes are embedded in there. I also have a quiz landing page that I send people to. And now from Pinterest, I'm sending people directly to the affiliate link, to the free YouTube video, to the free blog post, to the free guide, to the free quiz. You can see where this amount of content really adds up. But like I said, the funnels are a more advanced strategy, and you will need more resources and money to invest in the tools to then get this out into the world. So I've obviously implemented all three of these into my business. As you can see, I've shown you all of the receipts of the different things that you can take a look at. You can look at the landing pages, you can look at the blog posts to see the quiz, you can take the quiz if you'd like. You can join my email list through that automation guide and see what's going on the back end if you'd like to. But I really love these three strategies. I don't think enough people talk about the actual strategies that you can utilize to begin growing affiliate marketing income through Pinterest, through Instagram, through TikTok, through your email list. And I just wanted to bring that to you today. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're going to use strategy 1, 2, or 3, or if you're already using a number of those in your business. If you want more Pinterest marketing strategies and tips, make sure to head right on over here and watch our Pinterest marketing strategy playlist. And I will see you back here next week.